Hey traders, in this video we are looking at portfolio EA for MT4 and MT5. This one's a portfolio system specifically built for EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame. It's been out since late 2020, and as you can see on the website here, it's priced at $149, and the developer positions it as a diversified approach using 5 different strategies rolled into one EA, as you can see. Okay, I'm just going to expand this so we can see it more clearly. All right, so let's walk through exactly what the page claims and whether it holds up in practice. All right, so as you can see, the developer describes this as a portfolio of 5 not correlated EA's logics um, merged into a single strategy for Euro USD on the hourly time frame. Emphasizes that these are very simple strategies with only a few parameters each. Every trade gets its own stop loss logic and profit taking varies. Some use fixed take profits, others time based exits or profit trailing. The big selling point is that running multiple EAs together should deliver bigger profits and a much smoother equity curve than any single strategy. Right? So it's been backtested, as you can see here, for more than 17 years of tick data with 99% modeling quality and even verified on 30-year long M1 data, as you can see. For every new candle, the EA modifies pending orders to adapt to current market behavior. There's a detailed statement link and a YouTube video showing samples of trading logic, as you can see here. The page highlights extensive robustness testing, system parameter permutation, correlation checks between the strategies, IS/OOS tests, slippage tests, Monte Carlo robustness tests, and walk forward matrix to check adaptability across different market conditions. Importantly, the developer stresses no martingale, no grid, no scalping, no hedging. Each trade is protected by a stop loss, and it closes all trades every Friday evening at 7 p.m. to avoid weekend gaps. You just need to adjust that time for your broker's time zone. All right, so it's all here on the website, as you can see. Moving on to the features, we have the features over here. So, long-term strategy, user-friendly settings, everything already optimized for Euro USD on the hourly time frame, so you don't have to fiddle with tons of parameters. Low CPU usage. Each trade is protected by a stop loss. No martingale, no grid, no scalp, no hedge, no latency, no arbitrage. No excessive consumption of CPU resources. User-friendly settings. All settings optimized, like I previously said, and is a long-term strategy. Okay. Okay, so it's recommended to use on a broker with small spread and slippage for best results. The settings are pretty straightforward. You've got a custom comment for tracking, money management toggle, either fixed loss or a fixed percentage of a balance. Default fix is 1%, and there's the Friday exit time, as you can see here. Friday exit time with defaults to 1900 for UTC plus 2 brokers. That's basically it. Clean and simple, which is refreshing compared to some overloaded EAs rather. So let's take a look at some of the strategy tester reports from the developer. Right. So as you can see, for an initial deposit of $300, total net profit was $2,015. Sorry, that's 2045 there. Right. Um so we have it all here. The profit factor is 1.76. The total trades were 1,458. and the absolute drawdown was 44.56, rather 44.36. The maximal drawdown in percentage, the value we have for that is 5.69%. Right, so we have similar results. And you can see what the equity curve looks like. Almost looks like a straight 45-degree angle line to the upside. As you can see, he tested on the EURUSD pair on the hourly time frame, and it took 1,458 trades over the period of the test. All right, so let's quickly compare this to my own personal backtest and see if it actually holds true. All right, so I use the recommended pair, the EURUSD, on the hourly time frame for a period of 1 year, ranging from 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for a balance of 10,000 USD, I got total net profit of 47.97. Okay, my profit factor was 1.47 and my balance drawdown was 0.33%. The total trades taken over the 1 year period was 62. Right, so these numbers are a bit solid on paper, decent profit factor, controlled drawdowns in the test, and a respectable number of trades over the long history. Compared to the developer's 17 plus year claims, my result lines up reasonably as well. As always, live trading introduces slippage, spread variations, and those occasional regime shifts that backtests don't fully capture. The thing is, even with all the Monte Carlo and walk forward tests, these portfolio systems can still have extended flat periods or deeper drawdowns when the market doesn't play nice with any of the five logics. All right, you can see that very clearly in this equity graph. As you can see, it started off with good profits, but then over time it had little drawdowns here and there, even if the movement initially was a little bit stable. But then we also had the occasional drawdowns, even at this point up to the midpoint, and then it kind of recovered up from there to the upside, and we closed up in nice profits. Even though it's not the straight up 45-degree angle line we saw on the developer's test, this is also quite decent movement, although due to the live trading setting, it comes with that occasional drop every now and then. So in practice, you want tight spreads, a reliable VPS, and conservative risks. Don't push that 1% too hard if you're on a smaller account. News events on EURUSD can still hit individual trades since there's no heavy news filter mentioned. It behaves better in mixed ranging and trending environments than pure one cycle EAs, but expect some patience during quiet or extremely one sided markets. Right, so that's that. Let's go back to the developers page. So honestly, this is for experienced traders who understand portfolios, can handle drawdowns without panicking, and want set and forget diversification on just one pair. It's decent for prop challenges if sized properly. Beginners chasing quick, consistent profits or anyone with very small capital should probably skip it. The real risks are always higher than the optimized backtest suggests. So overall is one of the cleaner portfolio concepts out there from a developer who does this style consistently. But like every EA, forward tests on it on demo first, size conservatively, and treat the backtest numbers as best case guidance. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more no hype EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with all the indicators and patterns from the description. It's a solid starting point. Thanks for watching. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.